In this episode, last minute chocolate trifle. Ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine brownie mix, 1 egg, water, and vegetable oil. I used a larger baking tray to make a thinner brownie. This also reduces the baking time. Bake in a preheated oven until an inserted toothpick comes out with just a few crumbs, and cool completely. Cut the cooled brownies and set aside. Break meringues into chunky pieces. And roughly dice Aero chocolate. Add chocolate pudding to the meringues. And salted caramel mousse to the chocolate. To a small bowl, add some caramel and some ready-made custard. In another bowl, add custard. This will get messy. Place the brownies first, then the caramel custard mixture. Add the pudding and meringue next. Then another layer of brownies. Followed by custard. Then add the mousse and Aero chocolate. The whipped cream is optional. And top with brownies. Refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours before serving this tasty last-minute chocolate trifle. Thank you all for watching. See you on Thursday. Love you all, and God bless.